Hello and welcome to the first edition of the Unofficial JCB Club on YouTube. This channel is devoted to people like ourselves. I'm Christopher and this is Quintin. Say hello, Quintin.
Hello.
And we're here today to take you through a few demonstrations of what it's like to drive a JCB. And also we're going to show you some JCB models. And what else we're going to do today, Quintin?
Teach me how to drive a JCB.
Teach you how to drive a JCB. Now, we've got a JCB outside a bit like this, and we're here in the premises of CJM Refurbishment. They've kindly lent us their office, which you can see is fantastic. We've got lots of brochures, old school JCB, new JCBs, everything made from 1945 by Mr. Joseph Cyril Bamford. That's what JCB stands for, by the way. And he made this trailer, this is a model of it, first of all, and sold it at a market, and from then on started to produce various pieces of machinery until he came upon the idea of producing what we now call a JCB. And it is simply a digging instrument at the back of the tractor and a loader at the front, otherwise known as a JCB backhoe loader. So here, where we are, what they do is they bring in old JCBs that look like this, and they transform them into JCBs that look like this. So during the course of the channel, we'll be showing you different machines out in the workshop getting transformed and worked on. But today we're going to have a bit of fun, and Quintin here is going to drive a JCB. Have you ever driven a JCB before?
No, I haven't.
Oh dear. Right. They're big and they're heavy and they're a bit dangerous as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you know that?
Yes.
Okay, right. Oh, one thing I forgot about was we have a JCB fish tank now. We don't have a fish in it, but in the due course of the program we are going to be having either some real fish or plastic fish, but regardless of that, we're going to get some fish, and it would be nice actually if you guys were to write in and name some of the fish. So before we go out, what do we want all the viewers to do?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, and that's just to give us an idea that you like the channel. Please put comments in the box below of what you'd like to see on the channel and what you'd like us to be doing, and keep in touch with us. So will we go out and get this JCB started?
Yes.
Right, let's go. Right folks, we're here at the Unofficial JCB Club on YouTube, and we've got Quintin here today. Say hello, Quintin.
Hello.
And Quintin, what age are you?
I'm 9 turning 10.
Are you sure now?
I'm 9.
He's 9 turning 10, yes. Well, what we're going to do is teach Quintin how to drive a JCB today. So we're going to have a bit of fun, but there's one thing we must remember, which is safety. And one of the first things you ever should know about any piece of machinery is how to switch it off and how to stop it. Those are the first two main things you should know about getting into any piece of equipment. So you ready to have a go?
Yes.
Right, in you go. Right, Quintin, we're in our JCB.
Yes.
Okay, this is the main driver's seat, which you're going to be sitting in a minute. Okay, just like a tractor, you've got the steering wheel, you've got a gearbox, you've got the control levers, you've got your instrument panel here, you've got the JCB key, okay, brakes, accelerator, and on the back we have the controls for the backhoe. So we're going to give you a go on that too. Alright? So would you like me to drive it first?
Yes, please.
Right, come on aboard and we'll drive the JCB. Before we just show them actually how to drive it, I wanted to show them a few of the moving parts. So you ready to see what a JCB is made up of? This JCB is about 10 years old, but it hasn't been used very much. And it's one of my favourite machines. On the front we have got loader arms, okay? And this is what's known as the front bucket, or a scoop, yeah? And as you can see, it opens up into a jaw. And that's for clamming tree stumps or curbs or lifting things out of the ground, okay? We'll maybe get a chance to use those later. These are forks, which you can turn the front bucket into a forklift if you want, you know, for lifting pallets on the building site. All right. So this is the front end, this is the front end loader. It's four-wheel drive, which means that all wheels drive at the same time, and that gives you maximum traction. So come on, I'll show you around the back. Now, this is what's known as the backhoe, okay? And you can see this, what's this? A bucket? A bucket. I told you that before. That is a bucket, and that's what you use to scoop up the earth and move it and dig trenches and dig holes. And we're going to be sitting up here in the cab where all the controls are. So do you want to have a go?
Yes.
Right, let's go and have a go then. Okay, Quintin, you ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, make sure it's in neutral and then turn the key. Happy?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, start it up, turn the key all the way around. That's it. That's it.
Okay.
And give it a wee rev up. Okay. Right. Lift your front bucket like I showed you. Pull the lever back towards you. That's it, lift that up. Okay. And pull it in towards you like this. Oh, it's alright, we'll move it down. And you push that lever down a bit. Down a bit more. Down a bit more. And just about there is fine. Now, if you want to put it into gear.
Second.
Okay, second gear. That's it. And now we're going to push it into forwards. There we go. We're away! What would you like to do now?
Third gear and me scoop up that.
Oh, you want to use the back end, do you?
Yes.
Okay, right, well, that's a wee bit more skill involved, but that's what a JCB is all about, digging holes. So we'll take it over here and I'll show you how to drive it. Yeah?
Okay, yes.
Okay, great. Right, Quintin, you ready to have a go at the backhoe? Right, how are we gonna get round to the backhoe?
Pull the lever the seat and spin.
Turn the seat round. All right. Okay. Well, if you jump over there, I'll do that. Whee! Right. That's us round. So you sit there, and I'll show you what to do. I'll close this door. Ready?
Yes.
Right. First thing I like to do is open the window. So you've got to watch your wee head here. Push this down, pull, and the window locks up like that. Okay? Okay, Quintin, did you enjoy watching that?
Yeah.
You ready to have a go yourself?
Yes.
Right, I'll give you a hand. Right, you jump up and we'll swap seats.
Okay.
Oh. How's that feel? Good, we'll move the seat forward for you a bit.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, I'll start you off. Ready to be a JCB driver?
Yeah.
Okay. What I want to do is lift the boom up, tilt the bucket out, pull the dipper up, move everything down, skip, pull in. Oh, look at that, you're doing very good. Look, here it comes. I've got a full bucket, yeah? So I'm going to skip it up, lift it up, and then where do I want to tip it over there?
Yeah.
So pull the lever this way, yeah? And I want you to see this lever?
Yeah.
Push it out towards the bucket. Very good. Excellent. Right, round again. Down. You did. There you go. Skip in. And then 2 levers together. Got a full bucket. Skip in. Brilliant. Pull up. Turn it over there. Tell you what, we'll push it out a bit more. And then, remember how to skip? Push that one over there. Excellent. Well done.
Thank you.
Well, Quintin, did you enjoy driving that?
Yeah, that was class.
You're very good, actually. So you get a bit more practice in next
Yeah.
week. Okay. Right. We'll park JCB up back in the shade again.
Yes.
Okay. Right. Let's go. Well, Quintin, did you enjoy driving the JCB?
Yes, it was class.
What was your favourite part?
Digging the stones.
Digging the stones. Yes, I like the back end too. Well, you did very well.
Yeah.
And a wee bit more practice, you'll do even
Yeah.
better. So, do you want to come back to the
Definitely.
place and do it again? Well, do you know what I'm going to give you? Your very own JCB key. So,
Thank you.
only be starting now when I'm about, won't you?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed watching Quintin. I hope you enjoyed all the JCB action here. And there's plenty more to come on the Unofficial JCB Club on YouTube. If you liked what you saw, please
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe for us, just to let us know what you like. And please comment below on what you'd like to see on the Unofficial JCB Club on YouTube. And we'll try and line it up for you as the weeks progress. So, bye from Quintin.
Goodbye.
And bye from me, Christopher, and we'll see you all again very soon.